Okay. What you doing there, Rye?
Cranking up the anchor.
Cranking her up. There you go. Okay.
It's also a double action, right? Like you get it both ways.
Looks pretty heavy duty, that winch.
It's like they're rated up to like a 45-foot boat.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
They don't make these anymore. This is an antique.
Wow.
That we bought off a couple off Marketplace that they had refurbished at the machine shop with new bushings and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Like a couple of years before we bought it from them.
Yeah. So it looks like 2 strokes for a foot, eh?
Yeah.
So you only got to do that 180 times because you got 90 feet of chain out.
Something like that.
Okay, you let me know when it breaks free and then we can get moving.